Howdo and welcome to Pom Rides. It's a lovely balmy, it says on here 20 degrees, it's dropped down a tad. I'm just on my way back, taking the back roads. I've been working in Bradford today, so I thought, do you know what, it's going to be good, let's get the bike out. More importantly, let's try out the Aoocci with the Pom Rides bracket. Let's see. Okay, so we've got the Aoocci on and we've got it fitted to the bracket designed and 3D printed in ASA material.
Turn left onto B6144 Browtop Road.
By yours truly, and I'm now getting interrupted by the sat-nav because I've left sound turned on for Waze, as you can see there. So I did ride for about an hour this morning, and I can neither confirm nor deny whether I saw triple figures. And if I did, the bracket was fine. And if I didn't, the bracket was still fine. So the bracket is in such a place where it's tight enough that it hasn't moved a jot from where I set it to. It also,
reduced speed ahead.
Shut up! But it also has enough play in the bracket that I can adjust accordingly, right? So you can adjust if you want, or if you move the screen and you need to adjust it, or it's slightly not right, you can quickly just reach out and adjust it. It's just tight enough. I may advise people to use a piece of insulation tape around the bar just to give it an extra little bit of grip, although I haven't, and I haven't needed it. Now, anybody who's rode a V-Strom knows that it's a V-twin, and V-twins have a certain bit of vibration to them, and I've had no problems at all with vibrations on the Aoocci. The bracket, having it attached directly to that sat-nav bar, that 12mm sat-nav bar, instead of the
In 1,000 feet. At the roundabout, take the second exit onto B6142 Bridgehouse Lane.
Cheers for that. That's going to have to get turned off. So, yeah, we did have originally the Rambo bracket that comes with it. Looks like we're going down here. Let's see. Ooh. Yep, going right way. We did have the Rambo bracket, which was big and cumbersome and not easy to adjust and everything else. And because of the design of it, oh, this is a Titan, isn't it? So because of the way it was designed, it did cause a little bit of vibration. Right, come on, what are we doing? Whereas I've not suffered anywhere near as much vibration having it on there, and the bracket has stayed and performed quite well. Now again, I have only been riding on it for an hour and a half, but it's good enough for me. So the four that I fabricated on the 3D printer in ASA material and then fitted with my little brass grommets, I got them all ready to get shipped off, as I have got orders for them. And I did tell the people that ordered them that I wouldn't ship until I was satisfied that, you know, they were okay. I'm quite satisfied enough now to send them off. So they should be getting posted off tomorrow. So I'm quite chuffed with it. It's worked out quite well. One thing about the Aoocci, when it came, excuse me, when it did come, right, it came with a screen protector fitted.
Turn right onto Changegate.
Oh, dear me. Stupid woman. I ain't got a clue where this sat nav's taking me.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left onto Denby Hill Road.
So yeah, it did come with the screen protector fitted, which I didn't even realise it was on there, to be honest. It was only because I could see it lifting up at the corner, so I did end up peeling it off, and I've noticed it's a lot more responsive now, although I do have my summer gloves on. Ooh, sharp end. Not a bloody clue where I am, which is why I've got the annoying voice on, because I don't know where I'm going. Haven't a clue where I am. I know there's couch there, and I'm climbing. Still.
In 1,000 feet, turn left.
Yeah, you cannot roll to yourself, cop.
Turn left onto Denby Hill Road.
Will do.
In 3.1 miles, turn right onto Crag Bottom Road.
I've got the dark visor on today. Knew it was going to be a bit sunny. Weatherman didn't lie for a shade. Where are you, Indy? Where are you going? I don't think I got a nod then. That must have been a Harley. I'll have to watch this footage back and see. How rude. Cow's going in for a milking. Go on, girls. Alright. I don't think they were girls. I think they might have been ladybulls. Get some hair? No. Left it a bit late. So that's it from Pompo Rides today. Just a very, very sweet and short. Or short and sweet. And I'm just having a leisurely ride back home to my old missus. See what she's got planned for the evening. Oh, what a lovely day. What a way to finish a week. Gotta be a day out tomorrow on bike, I think. Gotta be. Not bad for a commute home, this is it. Could do worse. Could be worse. Right, so with that, we'll call it a day. And I'm going to enjoy the rest of my ride back. So, just an update for the bracket. Pompo Rides, signing off. Toodle pip, tatty bye, TTFN. We'll see thee again.